Imagine sound that doesn't just play, but moves with you, breathes around you, and places you right at the center of the experience. Immersive audio powers next-generation devices, from XR headsets to premium headphones and home entertainment, redefining digital experiences from gaming to cinema. MulticoreWare and Cadence bring you real-time, high-fidelity 3D sound through advanced spatial audio algorithms on compact edge DSP platforms. With dedicated DSP architecture and optimized audio acceleration capabilities, the Cadence HiFi 4 DSP enables developers to deliver premium audio experiences while maximizing battery life and system efficiency. Step into spatial audio. Headphones on, just sit back and immerse. MulticoreWare optimized the spatial audio algorithm to run efficiently in real time, achieving ultra-low latency of just 3 milliseconds per audio block and delivering up to 20 times faster performance.